Nice.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker and members. Members, I rise today to request that the Assembly adjourn in memory of Dr. Beatriz Solis. Dr. Solis embodied a commitment to people in need that I hope we can all emulate. The key part of her commitment was battling inequalities in healthcare. There are some people who don't get the advantages of nutrition, who don't have access to preventative care, and those who, even once they arrive at a medical facility, don't get the same service afforded to others. That is why she earned her degree as a doctor of public health and put it to good use. Dr. Solis served as Director of Language and Cultural Services for the LA Healthcare Plan, a researcher at the UCLA Center for Health Policy Research, author of articles, books, and technical reports, lecturer on health equality issues, president of Hispanics in Philanthropy, and chair of the Advisory Committee for the UCLA School of Public Health. We also know her as a critical part of the California Endowment as Director of Healthy Communities. She is survived by her husband, Mohammed, her children, Avrin, Adine, and her sister, LA County Supervisor Hilda Solis. Her life, though cut short by cancer at the age of 58, will be long remembered. I respectfully ask that we adjourn today in the memory of Dr. Beatriz Solis.